We need to keep track of things every day. Over a lifetime, we will lose about 200,000 items. That's why we created Leap, the world's smallest, location-aware wearable, satellite transmitter, and cellular IoT device. Leap, the modern, simple, and limitless way to keep life organized. Powered by our patented CASA architecture, it has the best in-class battery life and offers limitless ways to configure it and make new, exciting Android and iOS apps. With 4 easy-to-use personalities, Leap makes your life a lot easier. GeoFence protects Jellybean by alerting you if he ever wanders off your property. That's a good boy. And it can alert you when your kids arrive home safely. And that's a good girl. Activity ensures you will never have to worry about finding your car again. How very considerate. A-OK will have your back when your car breaks down. And, guess what? No cell service. Leap messaging to the rescue. And Proximity works with Bluetooth and your smartphone to help you keep track of everything and everyone close to you. He's toast. So, put your valuables out of mind and literally in the hands of this little, trusty device. Leap. Track and find anything, anytime, anywhere.